Hey everyone, I'm Joe, and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'll be going over how to use Wireshark in Nagios Network Analyzer 2026 R1. Wireshark is a super powerful tool because it lets you capture and analyze network traffic in real time, giving deep visibility into what's actually happening on a network. It helps identify performance issues, security threats, and misconfigurations by breaking down packets at a very detailed level. This makes it essential for troubleshooting and understanding any network behavior. Let's dive right into today's video. Here I have a fresh install of Nagios Network Analyzer 2026 R1. I do not have Wireshark installed, and I will run you guys through that process today. We're going to want to click on Install Wireshark. We're going to want to copy all these commands under this installation box, and then head over to the terminal where your Nagios Network Analyzer is installed on. We simply want to just paste all the commands at once, and then click Enter. All these commands will install and run, so you do not need to run one command at a time. After these commands are ran, Wireshark is officially installed. Let's head back to Nagios Network Analyzer on our web browser. As we can tell, just from being on the homepage again, it doesn't want us to install Wireshark because we already have it installed and just installed it. In order to reach Wireshark, if you don't have this page up, you can head to the left side of the screen and click on Wireshark. If you click on Wireshark and do not see these four tabs of Overview, Capture, Capture History, and Ring Buffer, simply refresh your page and they should appear. In the Overview tab, you can view total captures, average duration, your most used interface, your most recent capture ID, captures over the last 7 days, and since this is a fresh install, I have no captures, your interface usage, as well as your duration distribution. The first thing we're going to want to do is head to the top and click on Capture. From here, we have our network interface and our duration. We can choose a network interface, choose a duration of a scan, and then click Start Capture. In order to verify that your scan is complete, on the right side, it says Status, and then it says Completed. We can click on the eye on the top right of the 6 boxes, which lets us view our capture. Here we can see the interface we chose, the duration of the scan, the total packets, the total bytes, the top 10 talkers by source, the protocol usage, and then if we scroll down a little bit, we can see the top 10 talkers by destination, and then the packet size distribution. If we scroll to the top of this page and click on Capture Data, we can see the raw output from the scan itself. If you're looking for certain protocols, destination, source, time, info, or even length, you can narrow it down by using the search bar. Let's now head over to the Wireshark page on the left side again, and then out of these 4 tabs, let's click on Ring Buffer. The ring buffer capability enables you to store Wireshark capture data across multiple smaller files, automatically overwriting the oldest capture file when either a maximum number of files or a specific file size is reached. This allows for long-term network monitoring without exhausting disk space. To get started, let's click the Create a Ring Buffer button. Here we can configure the ring buffer settings and define what network interfaces should possess it. We then can choose the number of files, the file size, the directory we want it stored in, and the file name. For demo purposes, I will be leaving all this default. After your settings are configured to your liking, we can click Create. After you click Create, it will bring you directly to the ring buffer page, and the ring buffer you just created will be active. If you need to edit any of your ring buffer settings when you're on the ring buffer page, simply click the edit icon on the top upper right side of the page. If you do edit any of your ring buffer settings, be sure that your ring buffer is not active. I will come back to that in a few minutes. To view any capture data from the latest time period, to the left of the edit ring buffer icon, click on the odd. In here, we can also use the search function to find time, source, destination, protocol, length, or info. If you want, you can click on each individual event in the table to view more details, as in seeing the summary, advanced details, or even raw JSON output. If you want to download a PCAP, exit out of this page on the top right, and then simply click the download button. Now, if you want to deactivate the ring buffer, which I was talking about a few minutes ago, on the top left, we can click back on the Wireshark tab, click on ring buffer, and then to the left of the active, click on the red stop. To reactivate it, take similar steps and click the green arrow next to inactive. Click continue, and your ring buffer is now active. Keep in mind, if you stop, then reactivate the ring buffer, the previous ring buffer file will be cleared and a new capture cycle will begin. We now can go over the Capture History tab. Here we can view and download PCAP files of completed captures, scan completed captures with Suricata, and import files for Wireshark analysis. In order to view capture details, we can click on the eye icon for the entry you want to review, which will bring you to the capture summary page. If we head back to the capture history, and then on the entry, if you head to the very right side of the page, you see the three dots. Here's where we can download a PCAP or scan with Suricata. If you would like to learn more about scanning with Suricata, check out our Using Suricata with Nagios Network Analyzer 2026 R1 video that's linked in the description below. Moving on, we have the ability to import PCAP files for analysis in Wireshark. If you want to import a PCAP file, simply click on Import PCAP File on the right-hand side, and then click Upload PCAP to open File Explorer and import your PCAP file. Lastly, if you want to delete any entry in your capture history, to the right of the entry you want to delete, click on the three dots again, and then simply click Delete. It'll ask, are you sure you want to delete this capture? And if you are positive, then click Delete. And that's it. I hope everyone was able to gain knowledge of Wireshark and knowledge of how to use it in Nagios Network Analyzer. For any more questions and or assistance, feel free to visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more videos you'd like to see regarding Nagios products. As always, thanks for watching and keep on monitoring.